Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Chefman air fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. We'll be comparing them in terms of their features, ease of use, and performance. So let's get started. But before that, don't forget to like this video, comment with your favorite air fryer recipe, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews like this one. If you are on a tight budget, then the Chefman air fryer is for you, as it is priced at $99, whereas the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is priced at $139. However, if you're willing to spend a little extra, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer might be a better option due to its advanced features. Both air fryers offer great functionality. The Chefman air fryer comes with easy-to-use presets that make cooking easier, whereas the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer offers 6 functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, making it a more versatile product. The Chefman air fryer is designed to make your cooking experience effortless, with its digital display, simple touch control, and LED shake reminder. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer offers a clear cook window, internal light, and a progress bar with easy view messages, making it easy to monitor the cooking progress without opening the basket. When it comes to cooking performance, both air fryers perform exceptionally well. The Chefman air fryer ensures evenly fried foods with its 8-quart non-stick basket and flat frying tray. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer uses Even Crisp technology that allows airflow for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. However, if you want a faster cooking experience, then Instant Vortex Plus air fryer beats Chefman air fryer with little to no preheating time. Both air fryers have non-stick dishwasher-safe air fry baskets and trays for easy cleanup, so cleaning these air fryers is hassle-free. So there you have it. Both the Chefman air fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer have their unique features. It all comes down to your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and comparisons like this. See you in the next video.